we have a lot of work today. Whoa, just a little more and I would have fallen off. Oh no! There's a mud pit here. That's why I stopped. And now, help me! I can get out of here. It's cold and not pleasant. Come on, quickly.
I'm sorry, I really didn't notice. Let me think. Let me just pull you out. Don't be afraid. That's it.
Hello, we have a more important job here. Come to us.
What's wrong? Why did the train stop? Oh no, there was a blockage. Okay, let's get this out of the way. It seems to me a little that I'm unlucky to bring it up. I was cold. Let's help our friends. Nice, that's all. Have a good job. Well, now it's gonna be much easier. We're done. Have a nice trip.
Wow, that's a lot of trash.
No worries, we'll clean it up.
Great job. We're done. I gotta rush to work. Oh. Oh no. I need help.
I hear something.
Help.
Dump truck? How did you get in here?
Whatever, get me out of here, please.
Don't worry, I need to call for help. Team, emergency. I'm waiting for everyone.
Hello, Commander?
They'll be here soon.
The Commander's calling. We have to go right away. out. Whoa!
What a wonderful day. I think I hear something. Whoa, how did this happen?
Round and round, round and round, their wheels on their bus go round and
Guys, we have an emergency.
through the town.
Yeah, let's be faster.
On their bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. Their doors on their bus go open and shut, all through the town.
Oh, there you are. It looks like there was a big landslide. I'll take it away.
Move on back, their driver on their bus goes move on back, all through the town.
Nice. Thank you very much.
Their horn
Yeah, let's drill.
beep, all through the town. Their wipers on their bus go swish, 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 swish. Their wipers on their bus go swish, 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 all through.
Now my turn.
Mommy on their bus says, Mommy on their bus says, all through the town.
What a wonderful day. I think I hear something. Whoa, how did this happen?
Round and round, round and round, their wheels on their bus go round and
Guys, we have an emergency.
through the town.
Yeah, let's be faster.
On their bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. Their doors on their bus go open and shut, all through the town.
Oh, there you are. It looks like there was a big landslide. I'll take it away.
Move on back, their driver on their bus goes move on back, all through the town.
Nice. Thank you very much.
Their horn
Yeah, let's drill.
beep, all through the town. Their wipers on their bus go swish, 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 swish. Their wipers on their bus go swish, 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 all through.
Now my turn.
Mommy on their bus says, Mommy on their bus says, all through the town.
What's wrong? Tomato.
The tomatoes are perfectly ripe this year.
Now the pumpkins.
Pumpkin.
I'll take them.
And one last thing. Strawberries.
Strawberry.
Great job. It's been very hot lately. We need to come up with something. First of all, we need to assemble a team. Guys, let's build a cool pool to escape from this hot weather.
We think it's a good idea.
Dump truck, let's get started.
Now it's my turn.
The base is ready. It's time to pour water in there. Hello, fire truck. We need you to save us from the fire weather.
Okay, I'll be there soon.
Oh, who is this?
Hey, can you open the barrier?
Do it!
Come
on, jump.
Move on back, move on back, move
It won't happen again.
The driver on the bus goes, move on back, all through the town.
Oh, who is this?
Hey, can you open the barrier?
Of course. Give me a minute.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, red dump truck, you're here. This rock is tougher than I thought.
Whoa, that's heavy.
We're down to the last pile, so let's get on with it.
Oh, can I go already?
Yeah, that's enough.
Where I can go? Looks like my wheel didn't hold up.
Hey, what's going on in there? I'll call for help. Hello? Dump truck's in trouble. Need your help.
We're done. Have a nice trip.
We have a lot of things to do today.
I can't wait for it. Good luck with the construction.
I will create a base for construction. And another one.
We'll need this for a good foundation. And the second one.
I'm laying the groundwork.
Oh, you already wrote it. Great. Just a small thing left to do. Time to get to work. Everything's ripe and ready.
Let's gather the whole harvest. No grain left behind.
Let's start with tomatoes. Wow, these wheels are so much better. Thanks a lot to the team.
I think we have a problem. Our water stopped flowing.
What? How? It's time for us to solve this problem.
Team, let's get started. I'll dig a water hole.
Give it here.
I'm pouring it out. It's time for us to make a foundation. Great, I'm done.
I'll make a base for the pipes. Just a little more to go.
Great job, team.
Yeah, we did a great job.
It's time to rest.
You can't catch me anyway.
You can't get away from me anyway.
Come on, jump, James. Oh yeah.
The wheels on the bus go round and round.
No.
Round and round.
No,
Round and
don't.
round. The wheels on the bus
Big
go round
puddle.
and round.
I don't know what to do.
Through the town. The doors
Don't be
on the
afraid.
bus go
I'll
open
help
and
you.
shut.
Yes,
Open and
help
shut.
me.
Open and shut.
Okay,
The
no
doors
problem.
on the bus go open and shut.
Come on.
There was a blockage. Okay, let's get this out of the way. It seems to me a little that I'm unlikely to bring it up. I was cold. Let's help our friends. Nice, that's all. Have a good job. Well, now it's gonna be much easier.
Great job, guys. Almost done. Dump truck, unload.
The most interesting part. Unloading.
I can't delay. We must hurry. Whoa! Dump truck, stop! There's a school bus.
Almost unloaded.
You followed the school bus. What? How? It's okay. I'll get him out.
You've got to watch where you're going. I'll get you out.
Sorry, guys. I was just in a big hurry. I'm on my way. Thanks again.
Now, let's finish this, guys. The school bus is going like crazy. You should see it. Yeah, it'd be cool to see.
I'll unload it back.
Pouring cement. Great job, guys. Let's go get some rest.
We have to hurry.
Wow, these wheels are so much better. Thanks a lot to the team.
It's been a tough day.
Tell me about it. Time to relax. No!
Huh? What's going on?
Help!
Help!
Do I hear something?
Help!
Guys, how did you end up here? Don't worry, I'll get you out.
Wow, you're so strong. Thanks, of course. Give me a minute.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, red dump truck, you're here. This rock is tougher than I thought.
Whoa, that's heavy.
We're down to the last pile, so let's get on with it.
Oh! Can I go already?
Yeah, that's enough.
Where I can go? Looks like my wheel didn't hold up.
Hey, what's going on in there? I'll call for help. Hello? Dump truck's in trouble. Need your help.
Phew, I was so scared. Thank you, Crane.
Time to build a new bridge.
I'll pour the cement. Just a little more to go. We have a lot of things to do today.
Of course, we can do it easily. It's time to build a foundation.
Good, I'm pouring the cement. Well, let's start our construction. To do this, I took all the necessary materials.
I'll take out the garbage. Just a little bit more.
Let's start building. Today is a tough day. Here we go.
Welcome to construction. Oh, your dump trucks are here. Let's go.
Here we are.
Alright, we're here. Let's go to work.
Almost done.
Let's get some more on this side.
Alright, we're done.
It's time to make a river here.
Five equals 9. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 4 plus 7 equals 11. 4 plus 8 equals 12. 4 plus 9 equals 13. 4 plus 10 equals 14.
Alright!
What's this? The house was destroyed by lightning. Need to call the team to build a new one. Hello team, I'm waiting for you all.
I think the commander called us.
We won't fail.
I'm as ready as I'll ever be. Great! That's it! You were so strong!
Keep up the good work.
Thank you very much, team! Now we need to fix the hole.
My turn.
Hooray! Alright!
4 plus 1 equals 5.
Hooray!
4 plus 2 equals 6. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 4 plus 4 equals 8.
Hooray!
4 plus